Miss Berkey?
Yes.
Okay, there she is. Court has called the case. All right. Where are we on this case?
The $800 escrow check was received yesterday. So the current outstanding balance, once that is applied, is $2,351.85.
85 cents. Okay. All right. All right, Ms. Berkey, have you reached out to anyone for assistance on this?
Yeah. And I talked to Fair House and I'm supposed to get legal aid to help me with this, but I'm waiting on also SCR. Friends Indeed is waiting on an updated escrow, which we didn't get the 800 yet, which I don't know what she just said. I didn't hear it. But, and then also someone is paying off it as well.
Somebody is what as well?
Is paying it off. After Friends Indeed does the 500, they're paying the rest of it off, which they're supposed to do either today or tomorrow.
Okay, I want to make sure that I'm hearing you correctly. Friends Indeed is supposed to pay 500 of what's due, and then there's someone else to pay the balance.
Yes, and also I did SCR, and then also I have on the 8th a housing something appointment with Hawk or something. I don't know what it's called.
Okay,
But
well,
my
let me back up a second. Who's supposed to pay it off?
it's a family's friend that has their own nonprofit for people with chronic illnesses.
Okay.
I don't know what it's
You-
called. She knows what it's called, and they're doing it.
Okay. So,
I gave them the login to my portal last night at the hospital.
okay, so when are they going to pay before Friend Indeed, or they're waiting for a Friend Indeed to pay and then they're going to pay it?
I'm not sure because everything, I don't know, I'm just not fully here right now, but either way, they have a balance that they're paying and they're paying that balance. So I think their plan was to pay it, for my understanding, today, but
Okay, so Ms. Berkey, what I'm going to need you to do is email to the court, and I know you have Ms. Whiteling's email address, and also to plaintiff's counsel, the name of that organization.
I don't know, and I don't have their email address, the plaintiff's email address.
Okay, well, if you send it to us, we'll get it to them. But you don't, how would anybody contact these individuals that are going to pay?
I don't know. I'm contacting them from my friend's mom.
Okay, we're going to need a name
Maureen.
of who's supposed to pay it off.
Okay.
Okay, so if you, however you're contacting somebody, we need the name of the organization that's going to do that.
Okay. But also, I'm also supposed to be Fair Housing is trying to also help me with legal aid to help me represent myself through this.
Okay. Are they going to enter an appearance, or what are they doing?
Yeah, they were trying to help me adjourn this because I'm not here, and also to help me through all of the stuff that's been happening through the apartment. So, because there's a lot more to this than just me just paying. So,
Okay, but I understand that. And so are you going to file more documents or something? What?
well, I just don't have the energy. And I'm just really sick, and that's why I was trying to bring this. But yeah, if they come apart, then yeah, then more documents will be submitted.
Ms. Kazari?
I hear what Ms. Murphy is saying, but this is a sixth hearing. And, at this point, plaintiff is requesting a judgment or to push this case forward. At the last hearing, Ms. Murphy said that there were still some outstanding issues regarding repairs, but she wouldn't provide me with that list. She didn't provide that list. In the meantime, I understand that my client who's here as well reached out to her, and so we don't know what to do here. We need a judgment. And if we're happy to give additional time for the funding to come through, we can set aside the judgment if it's paid in full. But no.
But I was told that I just don't want a judgment on my record that would like interfere with any other stuff. And I was told that I wouldn't go end up homeless or whatever. And I have anxiety. I don't want that anxiety burden. And I don't want that on there.
Okay, I understand that's what you don't want.
And I've been everything, and I've been the only one following through on stuff. So.
Okay.
And how we originally, there wasn't because of me originally not following through on stuff. So. So I disagree with me having a judgment on me.
I know you disagree with that.
No, and yeah.
But I also, you need to follow up with, have you gone to Hawk?
I called once, they denied me. I called again, and I have an appointment, like I've said, for the third time. I've said it in the email, and I'm now going to say.
Okay, Ms. Berkey,
I'm
just
sorry.
answer my question.
Yes.
Do you have an appointment with Hawk?
On the 8th at 1 p.m.
Well, this Thursday.
If I can just 2 weeks, it'll be cleared up. Not even.
You said 2 weeks it'll be cleared up. What do you mean?
it will be all paid up, but won't even take 2 weeks. And then I won't have a judgment, please, Your Honor.
So
And-
what you're hang on, what you're indicating to me is that in 2 weeks, the balance will be paid.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, okay, so here's what I'm gonna do.
But no judgment, please.
I'm going to adjourn this back to a Friday, August 23rd, 2024 time, 3 p.m. And I'm going to place in the file defendant indicates balance will be paid in full prior to the court date. If not, the court is going to grant the plaintiff a judgment. Okay, so everybody understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Berkey, you understand that?
Yeah, can I get a Zoom hearing again, Your Honor?
She can appear via Zoom. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. Patrick McLaughlin versus Daryl Bain.